Patricia Van Haren. I'm a family law attorney. I do collaborative work as a collaborative divorce attorney and a mediator. What that means is I provide all types of out-of-court solutions for family law cases. I'm also the author of How to File and Survive a Divorce in California. Thank you for joining me today. A lot of times people want to know how an inheritance is handled during a divorce and what an inheritance actually is. So in the state of California, an inheritance is separate property, meaning that's property that belongs to the spouse who inherited it. Now, in order for your inheritance to be considered separate property at the time that you divorce, you need to be able to trace the source of those funds. You need to keep the separate property separate. So let's say you inherited money from your grandmother or your mother during your marriage, and you use that money to put a down payment on the house. You may be entitled to reimbursement for using that separate property, as long as you can show where the money came from, when it was received, and that it went directly to purchasing or putting that down payment on your house. Separate property and inheritances can become confusing when that money is put into a joint account and mixed with other assets. If you haven't kept that money separate, then you may be in a situation where it's not understood where that money came from, or it may be considered commingled with community funds. In a mediation case, in a collaborative case, we're really looking at exploring all options. So if your spouse is aware that that was your inheritance, then as we're doing the marital balance sheet and your property division, they can agree that that's your separate property and that can be awarded to you. In litigation cases, you're going to have to be able to produce evidence showing that any inheritance was earmarked and remained separate property. If you have any other questions about your inheritances and how that's handled in a divorce, feel free to shoot me over an email or give me a call. Thank you for listening today.